Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. In the edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, September the 13th, 2024. Already solved 2 puzzles, 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch take on that cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number. This will be number 9271. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here, 1, there, 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Double 1s, here, no, there, no. Double 1s, here, no, there, no. Double O's, here, 1, there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double 1s, correction, double O's, here, 1, there, 1. Double 1s, here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, not a no. Double 1s, here, no, there, no. Double O's, here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Well, we have here 3 O's. If we place number 4 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1s, here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1s, here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1s, here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are 1s. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct in 3 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.